Hi, I'm Ken Bianco Jr. and welcome to TrainWorldTV. Today we're going to talk about Lionel O-Scale D23 Disney special steam engine and separately purchased boxcars and rolling stock and cabooses. Lots to unpack here. Lionel just shipped all these brand new items, and each boxcar that they're going to sell separately are D23, and they got different Disney movies. And D23, the actual meaning is from Walt Disney arrived in California in 1923. So these are special series, and here you got Tinkerbell, different boxcar series from different movies of Disney. So really nice. I love the blue coloring. This is Toy Story 1, and it's got the year 2024, D23, Disney 23. So a lot of history here, a lot of magic, and this is the brand new steam locomotive. This is going to be separate from the boxcars and caboose, but beautiful engine. The blue is really crisp, really nice job Lionel did. And this is the caboose, and this has got Donald Duck, the Chipmunks, and Mickey. So a lot of the original characters. So all of these are available separately, but Lionel really did a great job incorporating Disney with Lionel. And these are two of the oldest, American train, or American companies, and a lot of history here. Lionel from 1900, Disney 1923, so lots of years and ages, and two iconic companies, both Disney and Lionel trains. So this was a really nice partnership and collaboration, both Disney and Lionel. We have them at TrainWorld.com, so make sure you head to our webpage and grab yours while you can, because I believe these are exclusive and limited. So we do have some available. Make sure you head there. We're going to show these running on the track, so stay tuned. And also, if you're not subscribed, make sure you smash that bell notification down below so you never miss a video. And thanks for watching, and head to TrainWorld.com for your Lionel O-Scale Disney D23 items today. Thanks for watching.
Dispatcher here. Start her up. Stand by for track orders. Over. Yes, sir. Start up and stand by. Out. Dispatcher, my engine's ready. Can I pull? Over. Please stand by. Out. Dispatcher, trains buckle together. Can I get a go? Over. Negative. Hold your position. Over. Okay, understood. Out. I'm ready to roll, dispatcher. Can I get to the main line? Over. Roger that. Take the green. Over. Roger that. Cleared outbound. Out. Dispatcher, train in motion, heading outbound. Over. Roger that. Have a good run. Out. Dispatcher, are we clear to the next milepost?